Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other? Get ready to elevate your cooking game and infuse your dishes and drinks with tantalizing, natural smoky flavors. The Smoking Gun by Breville is here to transform your kitchen into a gourmet smokehouse, and in this review, we'll dive deep into why this innovative kitchen tool is a game changer for food enthusiasts and mixologists alike. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary. Unlock the magic of the Smoking Gun. Imagine effortlessly adding mouthwatering smokiness to your favorite dishes and beverages. With the Smoking Gun, this isn't a distant dream, it's your new reality. This remarkable kitchen companion allows you to infuse foods and drinks with natural wood smoke flavors like applewood and hickory, all while maintaining a gentle cold smoke that won't compromise delicate ingredients. Special features that set it apart. Let's explore the unique features that make the Smoking Gun a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Silicone smoke tube and solid base. Precision is key when it comes to infusing smoky goodness. The Smoking Gun's silicone hose is not only easy to connect but also a breeze to clean and store. An integrated solid base provides stability, ensuring a hassle-free setup and preventing any accidental tipping during use. Removable burn chamber. Loading your choice of wood chips and cleaning up afterward has never been easier. The Smoking Gun's large burn chamber opening simplifies the process, making it a pleasure to use. Cold smoke system. Unlike traditional smoking methods, the Smoking Gun's cold smoke system is incredibly gentle on foods. You can take your culinary creations to the next level by smoking delicate ingredients like ice cream, butter, and cocktails, as well as meats and cheese. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Effortless smoking, spectacular results. The Smoking Gun by Breville is designed to make your smoking experience hassle-free and enjoyable. Here's why it's a game changer. Natural cold smoke flavor. Infuse meats, fish, vegetables, sauces, and cocktails with authentic cold smoke flavor and aroma without applying heat. Smart and portable. With an integrated stand, dual air speeds, and a removable silicone extender hose, it's easier, lighter, and quieter than traditional smoker accessories. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. Versatile smoking. Whether you prefer wood chips, tea, herbs, spices, hay, or dried flowers, the Smoking Gun has you covered. Ideal for home chefs and mixologists. Elevate your culinary and mixology skills with this exceptional tool. The package includes the smoker, replacement screens, apple and hickory wood chips, batteries, instructions, and recipes. Efficient storage. The Smoking Gun is designed for compact storage and can be disassembled without tools for easy cleaning. Just wipe with a damp cloth, and the burn chamber is dishwasher safe. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for added peace of mind. In summary, the Smoking Gun by Breville is a game-changing kitchen tool that allows you to unlock a world of smoky flavors and creativity. Whether you're a home chef looking to impress your guests or a mixologist searching for that perfect cocktail twist, this tool is your secret weapon. Don't miss the chance to revolutionize your cooking and mixology skills with the Smoking Gun. Click the link below to bring this culinary masterpiece into your kitchen today. If you found this review helpful and can't wait to embark on your flavor journey, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more culinary innovations, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of gourmet cooking and mixology.